Augmented reality, machine automation and more, the 21st century industrial revolution is digital. Industry 4.0 is the fourth industrial revolution and consists in the digitalization and rise of data, analytics, human-machine interaction, and advanced engineering. To thrive in the fourth industrial revolution, remain an industrial leader supporting electrification, Nexans initiated a digital transformation program in 2022 in partnership with Schneider Electric. To get there, we decided to implement a structured action plan in all our factories around three main use cases. The first one, Unified Operation Cockpit, UOC. It allows to follow in real time the production evolution on each production line. The second one, MES Performance. MES means Manufacturing Execution System. This use case enables to know in real time the production line performances through an indicator named OE, Overall Equipment Effectiveness. All these data are directly collected from the machine. And the third use case is SQDCE Digital Board. SQDCE dashboard stands for S for safety, Q for quality, D for delay, C for cost, and E for environment. And it's part of Standard Management Routine, SMR. The objective of SMR is to make problems visible to help us to fix them quickly. We use SQDCE dashboard to support these actions, and this dashboard has been digitalized to simplify the process and to be more reactive and agile. To support our Industry 4.0 journey, we are working together with IT/OT department to generate IT/OT and cybersecurity platforms.
The Nexans Digital Transformation Program is in perfect alignment with IT core own concerns, reducing technical debt and putting back the industry and the plant at the heart of the group digital deliveries. In the current risk context and the large increase of the digital needs, the definition of strong technical foundation was a prerequisite. Then, the business requirements have to be answered through the selection of the proper standard applications, answering to value creation, performance improvement, and efficiency increase, in parallel with reducing the complexity for our group. Of course, the standard approach, above the business benefits, is an obviousness as soon as we are looking for large scalability towards the plants through the industrialization of the deployment methodology, reducing cost of implementation. In parallel, the standard approach allows a sustainable run organization able to support worldwide coverage, providing support on the industrial solution also through new sets of skills like IT/OT specialists. We, with group operation and IT core, are looking through this program to the definition and rollout of strong innovative standards, technical setup, and ways of working answering Nexans' key values: pioneer, dedicated, united.